this in a while ago, years back. It used to be open up for drift days, and then they also have the 8 Mile drag strip there as well. Unfortunately, all of that has changed recently. They're doing a full remodel of the stadium, and driving is going to be no part of it at all. This place out in East County opened up, and it's awesome because we're going to be able to drift, we're going to be able to do autocross, and for the longest time, the closest place has basically been Apple Valley. That's kind of the go-to spot, along with Adams Motorsport Park in Riverside, but both of those are, for San Diego guys, they're like 2 hours plus away, and if you figure in both ways driving, you're talking about 4 hours round trip for a drift day, which is quite a bit. So anyways, they open up this skid pad at one of the local casinos, so let's go check it out. I'm super stoked to have this available.